Hi guys, welcome back to Nest Artfully. It's been such a long time now that I've been wanting to share parts of our new home with you guys, and today we'll be taking a peek into our kitchen. Kitchen is such an intense space that we use multiple times a day across all days of the week. It never gets a break, and so what happens is things tend to get very disorganized. But I feel that in modern homes where there is a lot of open floor plans and you see the kitchen from multiple other parts of your home, it becomes increasingly important that the kitchen also provides this calm, beautiful space. Now, I went ahead and bought some gorgeous products from Nestasia to help me with this regard, where I can have a kitchen that looks beautiful, is presented well, and is also extremely functional. They have a stunning range of products, glassware products, dinnerware products, soft furnishing, home decor, and even products for your home garden. And what I really like is that a lot of their products, while having a utilitarian functional purpose, is also combined with design and beauty to make it very unique as a product, and it adds a very luxurious look and feel to our homes. The first problem I'm tackling in my own kitchen is storage. Storage is a constant concern. If you've ever dreamt of displaying your spices and herbs in an aesthetic yet functional manner, then this is a product for you. The kitchen rack from Nestasia has a minimal bamboo frame and 3 racks. The first holds 5 borosilicate glass shakers, 4 condiments and herbs with bamboo wood lids. The second rack has a set of 5 jars, again with bamboo lids that can hold spices. The lowest rack holds 3 generously sized jars that can store items like sugar, salt, and of course tea leaves. While this product definitely organizes several daily use items in a nice manner, it also makes cooking and cleaning process easy because all the products are of course organized together at arm's reach, and the spices that are stored in them also stay fresh because of the airtight lids, making this a very aesthetic at the same time functional product. In most of our kitchens, storage either doesn't feel very functional or doesn't look good. In my kitchen, I of course have several plastic containers to hold regular use groceries, but I wanted something nice to hold products like biscuits, snacks, nuts, and other such items. Storage that I can move between the kitchen and the dining table. These storage jars from Nestasia help me do just that. These jars are sturdy and durable and most definitely stunning to look at. They also have airtight lids ensuring the freshness of whatever is stored inside. Here I have 2 types of jars from Nestasia. This one has lovely fluted glass with bamboo lids, giving a modern and clean aesthetic. This other jar has a honeycomb pattern on the glass with plastic lid, and I use both of them to store a variety of edibles that I can also bring to the dining table and especially use it even when I entertain guests. The next item I got from Nestasia is this set of salt and pepper shakers. Well, for the longest time, I would keep making trips into the kitchen to get my salt, which is stored in an old pickle bottle, to the dining table. But I wanted something that looks better and is for exclusive usage on the dining table. Nestasia has a range of these, and I opted for the owl design, which is something I have always liked. This product has ceramic body, which is chip resistant, contains no harmful chemicals, and has a food safe glaze. It also has a bamboo base to hold both containers and looks super cute on my dining table. No more running to the kitchen for salt and pepper. Now, coming to that concern that I'm sure, like me, would have gotten you frustrated at some point of time, is how does one store produce that needs to be kept out in the open, like onions, potatoes, garlic, even fruits? How do you keep them in a neat and organized manner? Now, I got this set of 2 bamboo baskets from Nestasia to help me do just that. I can store items like onions and potatoes or fruits in them. Of course, I can also store other products in them. But what I absolutely love about these baskets are that they lend to the nature-inspired theme at my home and can be easily used across the house. I can always bring the fruits from inside the kitchen to the dining table, or even use these baskets anywhere else within my home, such as in my bedroom or even in the living room. The next product I got from Nestasia to help me in the kitchen is this multi-purpose colander. I love it for its minimal design, and because it is transparent, it doesn't add to the visual clutter in the kitchen. We have a small sink for washing vegetables and fruits, and this colander that expands from 36 cm to 46 cm is ideal for this area. It helps me with washing as well as straining excess water when we prepare items like pasta. This design is practical and definitely a great addition to any well-organized modern kitchen. Next, I think you'll agree with me when I say that kitchen utensils also play a large role in how the kitchen looks and feels. Most of the daily use utensils in my kitchen are, of course, stainless steel products. But I have now also started investing in ceramic cookware, as we often bake when we entertain. So dishes like this is a great addition to my kitchen. Let's just take a minute to appreciate how beautiful this product is. A lovely mellow pastel color, glossy finish, gorgeous textured pattern on the outer sides, handles for easy hold, all the features that I would love to see in bakeware. The product itself is non-porous, it is smooth and is completely free of lead as well as any other toxic chemical. Made with high quality ceramic, this product does not easily absorb moisture or stain or hold on to food odors, which is often a problem. This set of two with size variation makes it flexible in terms of usage, so you can go ahead and serve items like salads as well as non-baked desserts in them. Cook and serve in them and delight both your loved ones as well as your guests. The very first item we pick out in the kitchen every morning usually is a set of 2 cups for our morning chai. So when I saw this product on Nestasia, I immediately fell in love with just how functional yet aesthetic it looked. Here is a product that looks like decor for the kitchen but is incredibly functional too. A set of 4 ceramic cups with handle that can be stacked one on top of the other within the provided metal frame, ensuring it is safe as well as neatly organized. And it looks good even simply left on the countertop. The mugs are available in a variety of colors and designs, but I personally preferred the monochromatic black and white look. This product is great for small kitchens as well because it takes up very little space, and it's also great for those who have multiple chai sessions through the day because the cups are so rightly sized that you can enjoy your tea without feeling any guilt. So these products from Nestasia have completely changed how my kitchen looks and feels. They are gorgeous products that definitely make my kitchen look very luxurious and beautiful, but they are also extremely functional and useful. So if you want products that look unique, add to the element of luxury at your home, and are definitely good quality and value for money, then do take a look at all the products available on Nestasia's website. There are more than just kitchen products available there, so take your pick and then sit back and relax while they deliver the products safely to your home, and then you can enjoy styling them to your heart's content. So I hope you enjoyed this curation. Do let me know which one of these products is your favorite. I'm so looking forward to sharing more parts of my home shortly in our upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.